So good morning. It's that time of year where strange boxes, strange parcels arrive for us. Obviously address covered up there. Let's see what we've got. Quite easy doing this one-handed while holding the phone in the other hand. So, certainly something freaky there. Don't know if I want to take the bubble wrap off. Wow. So we've got a pretty horrific mask. That's pretty nasty. That's obviously who he is, Zachariah. A cloth badge from Workbench. Now they are the people who do the special effects for FearFest Evil. So let's have a look. Three-dimensional skull. A memory card labelled FearFest. We'll have a look and see what's on there in a minute. Workbench beer bottle opener, which is going to be useful when we go and stay in one of the wigwams at FearFest Evil. And yeah, he's quite cute, isn't he? That's Zach. So let's just move the box. Run out of the way, dog. And there is a rather nice FearFest Evil t-shirt. I love that logo. So we will of course be going to FearFest Evil, which is at the National Dive-In Centre in Chepstow, in just over the Severn crossing. So we will be there on, as I say, we'll be there on I think the 13th of October, and we will be staying in one of their wooden wigwams overnight. And yes, we will see if any of the creatures come and get us. So I will stop this video now. I will see what's on the memory card, and I'll be back in a few minutes. And there we have it. FearFest Evil. Sorry about the reflection in the back of the picture. I'll upload the video separately in a minute. But yes, as I said, catch us at FearFest Evil on October the 13th. We'll be going, and yeah, check out those impressive sets. Can't wait to go back and see it again. Don't forget to keep checking on ScareTOUR for our review and news of everything else coming up.